Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make weight loss green smoothie without juicer. Stay tuned and find out all the wonderful ingredients that I use for this weight loss drink. So to make this weight loss drink, I'll be making use of 2 sticks of celery. So I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces for easy blending. Celery is a good source of vitamin C, fiber and some essential minerals. It will help to boost digestion and weight loss. For this drink, I'll be making use of ginger, which I've already peeled. Ginger will enhance weight loss, stimulate digestion and suppress appetite. Use of apple. Feel free to use any apple of your choice. Apple is a good source of fiber and great for weight loss. So I'm going to cut the apple, remove the apple seed and core. When I'm done cutting the apple, I'll be adding all the cut ingredients into the blender. I'll be making use of lemon. Lemon is a good source of vitamin C. It contains fiber which will help to reduce constipation. And the vitamin C in lemon will aid iron absorption. So I'm going to squeeze to get the lemon juice. Adding 1 handful of spinach. Spinach contains vitamin A and there is evidence that it will speed up weight loss and it is good to shed those extra kilos. So I'm going to add it into the blender. I'm going to cut the grapefruit into smaller pieces. Grapefruit is also good for weight loss because it is rich in fiber and it will help to keep you fuller. So I'm going to add it into the blender. So I'm going to add water. Then I'm going to cover the blender and blend until it's smooth. When I'm done blending, I'm going to strain to get the juice. Enjoy 1 cup of this drink in the morning before meal, then drink the remaining in the evening.